Hello again. Now we're going to learn the guitar plucking pattern for the chord G. For the guitar chord G, this is how to put your finger. For the chord G, use your thumb for the 6th string. Finger 1 for the 3rd string. Finger 2, 2nd string. Finger 3 for the 1st string. Finger 2 for the 2nd string. Finger 1 for the 3rd string. And for the thumb, 6th string. Now do the guitar plucking pattern. See you again. Bye.